China's third aircraft carrier is under construction and will likely see several technological improvements over the country's first two. The ship, known for now only as 002, has been under construction since 2015. The new carrier will likely be larger than her predecessors and sport an electromagnetic launch system for aircraft, allowing for a larger, heavier aircraft to conduct longer distance flights with more weaponry. China commissioned its first ever aircraft carrier, the Liaoning, in September 2012. Formerly an unfinished Soviet aircraft carrier, the ship was bought in 1998 by a Chinese businessman from Ukrainian officials under the pretense of converting the ship into a floating casino. Somehow, the ship was transferred to the Chinese Navy, where it was studied and then made into an operational aircraft carrier. A second carrier known as 001 AC photo above was built as a close copy of the first and launched late last year. The third aircraft carrier, 002, began construction in March 2015 at the Jiangnan Changqingdao shipyard in Shanghai. The first two ships were studied and built as learning experiences with minimal changes or improvements. The third ship, however, is expected to be substantially different. One of the major differences between the three carriers is size. The first carrier, Liaoning, was locked into the size of the existing 67,000-ton hull. The second carrier is expected to be about the same size, as China learned how to make a copy of an aircraft carrier. The third carrier is expected to tip the scales at about 80,000 tons, and 002 will also likely be slightly longer than Liaoning's 999 feet. A larger carrier will mean several things. 002 will carry more fuel, both for its aircraft and itself, enabling the carrier to operate farther from China and the aircraft to fly more sorties from the carrier. The newer, larger carrier will also have more room for aircraft, both in the hangar and on the flight deck itself. The second carrier, 001A, has a smaller island than Liaoning, freeing up deck space, and 002 will likely shrink her island even more. As a result, the carrier's air wing can be expected to grow substantially larger. Liaoning can carry up to 24 Shenyang J-15 Flying Shark multi-role fighters, while 001A will probably increase to 30 J-15 seconds. 002 seconds air wing could grow to 40 fighters plus a handful of propeller-driven carrier onboard delivery transports and airborne early warning aircraft. By comparison, U.S. Navy Nimitz and Ford-class carriers typically embark with about 66 aircraft at a time, and the U.S. ships can carry up to 90 aircraft if the situation warranted it.